if you need like any abs workout or something, we're actually doing the abs marathon here. Like, sorry for that. Excuse me. Is it okay after you said I will do together with you, like just one?
What?
Like one set and I will do it first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry for that. I think the shoes is wrong, maybe that's why. Oh, feel pain here with it. Why you like laughing?
It's fine, so just...
Oh, this was like this. Or helicopter, helicopter.
It's a joke.
I don't know, I just cannot stop it. It's like helicopter. That's what I'm doing, I don't do sport. If you need like any abs workout or